Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are going to have a series on making your PC faster. After a question from a viewer about, look, I'd like to know if there are things I can do to make my PC go faster, because reinstalling Windows is out of the question. So if because he knows that one of the best ways to speed up a PC is from time to time you completely reinstall Windows from scratch. Definitely a great way to get a much faster PC after using it for several years, for example. But in this case, it's not possible. Is there something that you can do to speed up? Okay. There's going to be a series on this. Each video is going to have one tip that you can do, and it's going to be put in a playlist on the YouTube channel under Speed Up Your PC. Well, the first thing that I'm going to say in this video is about anything that you want to download from the internet that is a speed booster, a cleaner, a RAM optimizer, any of that. Avoid using all of those. Why? Because not only are you going to try to clean up with these things that actually are totally useless, what's going to happen is you're going to add more apps to your computer, which means that when you go into the apps, you're going to see that there's a ton of new apps, and there's going to be apps running in the background. There's going to be all sorts of things. You don't want to have a million apps here. You want to have the minimum amount of apps that do what you want and nothing more, because the more programs you'll have, the more your computer might behave with slowdowns, freezes. It's not a good thing to overload your PC with tons of what I consider to be completely useless software. So avoid going online and downloading CCleaner or RAM optimizer or speed booster or whatever. Plus, add to that the fact that a lot of these software are kind of really not doing anything special, and even risk having you downloading something that might have adware or malware in it. Avoid that. It's useless. You're spending just a lot of time, wasting time downloading useless tools. Gone are the days when you needed tools for Windows. Back in Windows, 98 and Windows XP, sometimes there were things that you could do that were, helping you out. But honestly, even as long as I can remember, you just left Windows alone, and that's it. And particularly today, Windows 10 is so good at just, handling itself and behaving in a proper way with the way that it works. So the first step is avoid downloading any crapware and cleaners. That is my first step for, first of all, making sure that your PC will stay fit, and then you'll be able to follow the tips that I'm going to give you, because if you start installing, all sorts of crapware that just doesn't do much, you'll end up with, well, I got to reinstall Windows because I just did, messed it up too much. Remember also that a lot of the optimizers, the promises of the optimizers are to, they kind of tell you, well, Windows is deficient in the way that it does certain things. So you need an optimizer, because that's going to help you basically, really handle what Windows cannot do, which is totally wrong, and you, once again, don't need any of that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.